Hackstars 2014, David Fladden's Orange team, location Dublin. Okay, we have a number of things to show you today. The first is in response to an actual customer complaint. So the customer has complained at how slow it is to log into Think Central, and they're not talking from an application performance point of view, they're talking about usability. So in their frustration, they took the time out to give us a little demonstration. So you can see how long it is taking to find their district and school, and it's taken up to 5 minutes for a student or teacher to log in. So similar to when you're searching in Google, we've put that feature in here, autocomplete. You can see how much quicker that is. So that's a complete solution. Meanwhile, our customer is still trying to log in. So that's a quick win. Second thing we have done is we've improved Web Checker. So we've changed the build process of the existing Web Checker so that it's now going to be create an artifact, and we store this in our HMH repository, as you see. So it is now available to all applications to download and overlay into their existing deployment artifact. The advantage of that is then you can then host it with that application on top of their server. So currently we're looking at moving the standalone legacy Web Checker application from one data center to another. We got a quote from one vendor that will cost $50,000. With this approach, there's no longer a requirement, so we don't have to maintain another application because it is the solution is hosted within the existing applications. So I can give you a demonstration of that here. We have, in place of the existing one, we have now moved it so that it's sitting on the same domain as, in this example, HMOF is hosted on. There you go. And it gives feedback to the customer on what technologies they should be using. And finally, just before I finish, we've also implemented, following the HMH API strategy, we've also implemented an API version which gives back a JSON feed on what technology we support. Finally, we looked at a simple HMH content launcher. We want to keep it simple but nice and clean, but at the same time we want to show that we're technology savvy. The thinking here is that instead of depending on legacy applications to display new content, we could just have them launch, so when the sales rep go out, they could launch new content from this or something similar. And okay, we ran out of time here, so it's far from finished, but it's just simple. You can search your content. We can put in some funky HTML5 style sheets or JavaScript behavior, and then we can launch our content from there. Okay, that's it. Thanks for your time.